Welcome, K-drama lovers. Today, we are diving into the ultimate list of K-dramas that are simply perfect from start to finish. These are the shows that capture your heart in the first episode and keep you hooked till the very last scene. 10. Business Proposal. Business Proposal is a fun workplace romance that starts with a twist. Shinhari, pretending to be her friend, goes on a blind date and is shocked to find out the man is her boss, Kang Tae-moo. Unaware of her real identity, Tae-moo proposes a fake engagement to avoid more blind dates set up by his father and focus on work. As they navigate this fake relationship, they eventually fall in love for real. The lead actors deliver charming performances, making the story delightful from the very first to ending episodes. 9. While You Were Sleeping. While You Were Sleeping is a captivating fantasy comedy drama about Nam Hong-joo, played by Suzy Bae, a woman who sees visions of terrible events in her dreams, and Yoon Jae-chan, played by Lee Yong-suk, a prosecutor who works to stop these events from happening. The show stands out for its emotional moments and the strong chemistry between the leads, making it a favorite among K-drama fans. Although it shares a title with the Sandra Bullock movie, the two are completely unrelated. This drama is a must-watch and deserves more attention for its unique and gripping storyline. 8. Legend of the Blue Sea. Legend of the Blue Sea is a magical romance about a mermaid, Shim Cheon, played by Joon Ji-hyun, and a clever con artist, Hyo Joon-jae, played by Lee Min-ho. Shim Cheon follows Joon-jae to land, hiding her true identity as a mermaid. Alongside their present-day love story, the drama also reveals their past lives in the Yoseon era as Kim Dam-ryong and Se-hwa, whose tragic fate raises questions about whether history will repeat itself. With its mix of fantasy, romance, and suspense, this drama keeps viewer hooked from start to finish. 7. Crash Landing on You. Crash Landing on You is a heartwarming story about Yoon Se-ri, a wealthy South Korean businesswoman who accidentally paraglides into North Korea and meets Captain Ri Jang-hyok, a kind and disciplined soldier. Despite their differences, Jang-hyok helps Se-ri hide and find a way back home. Their journey turns into a touching romance filled with humor, suspense, and emotional moments. With amazing chemistry between the leads, stunning visuals, and lovable side characters, this drama has become a global favorite. 6. The King, Eternal Monarch. In The King, Eternal Monarch, Lee Min-ho stars as Lee Gon, a modern-day Korean emperor who discovers a parallel universe opened by an ancient evil. As he works to close the portal to prevent chaos, he meets Jang Tae-yul, a determined detective who protects those she loves. This drama mixes fantasy, romance, and action with a complex plot. Though its story might feel overwhelming at first, it rewards viewer with incredible performances, especially the lead's chemistry, and an unforgettable narrative. 5. Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. Strong Woman Do Bong Soon is a delightful mix of comedy, romance, and action. Do Bong Soon, a woman with superhuman strength, dreams of living a normal life but is hired as a bodyguard by An Min-hyuk, the CEO of a gaming company. Together, they face a dangerous criminal targeting women in Seoul. This drama has everything: suspense, humor, emotional moments, and even a love triangle. With memorable performances, especially from the villain, this show is a must-watch for all K-drama fans. 4. Descendants of the Sun. Descendants of the Sun tells the story of Captain Yoo Shi-jin, a special forces soldier, and Dr. Kang Mo-yoon, a surgeon, as they fall in love while serving in a war-torn country. Their love story is emotional and full of ups and downs, blending romance with the harsh realities of war. The drama stands out for its well-written story, realistic portrayal of military life, and the lead's incredible chemistry. The beautiful soundtrack adds even more depth to this unforgettable show. 3. Queen of Tears. Queen of Tears is about a married couple, Hong Hee-in and Bak Hyun-woo, who face a marital crisis but find a way to fall in love again. The drama takes viewer on an emotional roller coaster, showing how their relationship grows despite the challenges they face. The complex story and the lead's amazing chemistry make this show addictive and engaging. It's perfect for anyone who loves heartfelt melodramas with a touch of humor. 2. My Demon. My Demon tells the unique love story of Du Du-hee, a wealthy heiress, and Jeng Ji-won, a demon. After entering a contract marriage, Ji-won unexpectedly loses his powers, and their relationship takes a romantic turn. The drama is packed with twists, and the on-screen chemistry between Song Kang and Kim Yoo-young makes it an unforgettable watch. It's one of the most talked about dramas this year, combining fantasy, romance, and drama effortlessly. 1. Lovely Runner. Lovely Runner is a time travel romance about I.M. Sol, a 34-year-old wheelchair user and a devoted fan of K-pop star Yoo Sun-jae. After Sun-jae's unexpected death, Sol discovers a digital watch that sends her 15 years into the past, where she meets the younger Sun-jae. Determined to save his life, Sol embarks on a twist-filled journey that mixes time travel, love, and second chances. It's a heartfelt and imaginative drama that captures the magic of fate and romance. That's our list of 10 flawless K-dramas. Let us know your favorites in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more K-drama content. Thanks for watching.